Good afternoon. This is Amy Cooper, the 2024 EPBR President. We just had our July board meeting, and we are currently at 926 total members, 688 primary, 136 secondary, and 101 affiliates. We have a lot of changes going on within our industry, and our Forms Committee has been diligently working on documents for us. Look for the date at the bottom of your EPBR forms to make sure that you are using the most recent version. Remember that Bright MLS changes take place on August 14th, so if you have not, watch the webinar that was sent out by Bright to make sure you are up to speed. There are several exciting events coming up for our membership. Check out social media or watch your email for details on the following events. August 1st is the 10th Charity Bowling event. August 15th is the free family summer picnic. August 29th, Community Service is hosting a kayak trip and a trash cleanup. September 12th is the general membership meeting at the Purple Iris. September 15th through the 17th is the WVAR convention. October 3rd, there's an RPAC event planned. You don't want to miss out on these events. Registration for some are already open, and for others, keep an eye out so that you don't miss signing up. That's all I have for you this month. Have a great rest of your summer, and I'll see you next month.